What's going on, everybody? This is Dan Krause here again with Southwest Michigan PDR, working on this massive dent on a Honda Accord on the quarter panel there. You can see there's two very deep creases through this quarter panel. This is a very extensive repair. But you can see here I've got the Kiko K-bar with some centipede tabs there. Pulling this damage out, just kind of roughing things out, trying to get the general shape of things back. I try to clean up as much of it as I can with glue tabs, since the front section of this quarter panel, there's very, very little access. So here I'm going through the vent hole in the quarter panel. Down at the bottom is kind of the easiest way to access the back section of this quarter panel. And for the front section, there is a little hole there that you can sneak a rod through, and I was able to get just a little bit of the front section of the quarter panel with that, but majority of that was glue pulled. This was just kind of finishing out some of those deeper sections of the crease. So here it is, things are starting to really look good. This is probably halfway through the repair. You can see just massaging some of those creases out. Blending some things out, trying to get that metal to all level back out, nice and flat again. And here we go, getting really close here. So I go through and with a very sharp tool try to finish up all of the last little imperfections, or at least as best as I can. And here's one more shot of the damage. And there we go. Customer was ecstatic about this repair. He was not going for 100% perfection, and I was able to repair this quarter panel to a satisfactory level without having anything repainted. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.